How to get Google search bar back on Android screen. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google search bar back on your Android screen. If the Google search bar is missing from your Android home screen, then you can easily restore it by following these steps. First of all, you will need to tap and hold on an empty area on your home screen until a menu appears at the very bottom. Now here, you will need to select the widgets option, which looks like the Windows icon. Once you find this option, simply tap on it, and now here you will need to scroll through the widget list to locate the Google search bar, or simply first select the Google option. Once you find the Google option, simply tap on the arrow icon at the right side. After that, you will need to again scroll down until you locate the Google search bar. Once you find it, now you just simply need to tap on it and then tap on this add option. Once doing that, you will see the Google search bar. Now you can tap and hold the Google widget and drag to the preferred location on your home screen. If you want to adjust its appearance, such as color, shape, or transparency, you may open the Google app, go to the settings, and customize it. So by following these steps, you should be able to restore and customize the Google search bar on your Android home screen. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.